Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select general, go down, select transfer or reset iPhone, then select reset, select reset network settings. Here we need to enter the password of the phone. Select reset network settings. Now reset is in progress. Please wait. Okay, done. Let me log in. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all Bluetooth issues. After reset, we had to pair all Bluetooth devices again. Please check it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.